Hello lovelies, welcome to Alake YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we're learning how to make this boxy kimono top. So if you are interested in learning how to make this top, please continue to watch this video. Thank you very much. So to start off, you're going to fold your fabric, unfold like this, then you fold into two again. So you have your fabric unfold in 4 places, like 4 times. So your fabric should be folded into 4, like so. So 1, you have like unfold like 4. So the length of the top is 17 plus 1 inch for sewing allowance, that's 18, and the width is 40 inches. So depending on how long you want your sleeve to be, that's what you're going to use at the shoulder area. So I'm going to do the neckline of 3 by 3 inches. I'm going to do the neckline of, so that's what I'm just doing right now. So the rest of the shoulder area, I'm just going to come down from the edge by 3 inches for the shoulder slope. You know, this is kimono top, so that's why I need to do that. So I'll be connecting from the neckline to the edge of the fabric. So your top might be longer than this, depending on how much fabric you have to do this. So now from the 3 inches that will come down, from that shoulder slope that will come down by 3 inches, you're going to mark half of your sleeve circumference, your round sleeve circumference. So mine is 10, so 10 divided by 2 equals to 5, then plus 1 inch seam allowance. So that's why I mark 6 there, and I square down that line. So on that line that you square down, you're going to input your bust circumference. So my bust is 34, so 34 divided by 4 equals to 8.5. Then I added 1 inch for ease and also 1 inch for seam allowance. Then I ruled down that line straight down. So from that line, I come down by 2 inches, and then I place my tape 1 inch right there. So in order to create a curve, the kind of curve around the armhole there, in order for the armhole to lay flat, this is a kimono top and you're going to cut it together. So that's why you have to come down by 2 inches, then you do your tape by 1, like so. Then on that line you come in by 1 inch in order to connect it to the top, like so. So I'm just going to cut off the excess fabric there. And here we have our kimono top. So just to sew this, I'll first go ahead and join it together at the shoulder area. So first join together at the shoulder area. So I've joined it already at the shoulder area. The next thing is to pipe in the sleeve area, the sleeve opening. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn in the sleeve area like so. I've already done that already. So the next thing is to put it together and join it together at the side. So I'm just going to use the 1 inch seam allowance there and join it together at the side, and also piping it to at the bottom at the hem area like so. So I've done that already. Alright, so the next thing is I'll just use this facing to finish up the neckline. You can use bias or you cut facing, and that is all for our kimono boxy top. So here is the top that we made It's just so beautiful and easy to make. You can make this under 30 minutes. It's just so simple to make like so. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. So I've uploaded a video on how I made the trouser, so you can just check out the previous video on this channel. So please subscribe, like, comment, and also share. Bye.